this right here. They added Snowflake holiday lights already. I'm going to go a quick hair salon because we'll take a look at those snowflakes while we drive later. There could be an emergency responding. Sorry, my dad's touching me. For my hoodie. The fire department got to respond again, just like when I was coming back from the church. Alright, I'll see when I finish going to the hair salon. There's an ambulance as well. The ambulance and 2 fire trucks respond to the emergency. There's a walk signal. Wow. This right here. Alright, I'm done. I finished the hair salon. Here we are at the local laundry. I'm not sure. Everybody taking a look at the laundry is canceled, but here's a snowflake. Yeah. Santa will like this of the city of White Plains. Santa will like it. Hold everybody, this is getting too much. I don't want to get any voice reveals. Voice reveals sucks. But let's just cross. Alright everybody. Alright, hope I don't get a copyright claim, but we're just gonna cross the pedestrians. There's no button. Alright. What do you think about this? Yeah, we're gonna see the snowflakes. But that he whispered me, but I don't want to get any voice reveals. Voice reveals sucks. But we're gonna take a look at the snowflakes. I don't want my parents' voice reveals because I don't know. We're gonna see the snowflakes while we drive. Yes. They're in the other street, right, Fluttershy? Yes. And Rarity? Yeah. Okay. I'll see you when we get to when we leave this location. Yeah. Okay. I'll see when we exit. I almost forgot. What do you think about this? Yeah, it's kind of nice. Yep. Alright. Alright, so we're gonna go take a look at that corner. Yes. Alright. That's it. Alright everybody. Here's the snowflakes. It looks nice at this corner right here. Here's the other rest of it, but we can't go straight because we have to go home now. But you can see it. This area right here. Alright, that's it. Hope you like